Hello, I'm Richard Kent. I'm the Curriculum Manager here at Merrist College. I'm about to show you a tour of our amazing new nursery facilities, including our glasshouses. And here we are inside our brand new glasshouses. These are split into 4 different bays, so each one can have the temperature and humidity regulated, so we've got the capacity to grow all sorts of different plants from varying climates. And here we are inside one of our specialist teaching spaces. This is where we deliver plant propagation lessons to our full-time students and also our part-time professional adult courses. As well as our brand new glasshouses, we've still got a range of polytunnels. We're here in our shade tunnel here, providing another opportunity to grow plants from different climates and different habitats. One of the key features of our horticulture classrooms is that they lead directly out onto our nursery, linking theory and practical elements of courses seamlessly. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of our new facilities here at the Merrist Nursery, and we look forward to welcoming our new students in September.